check it out. You're here because you go, oh my quads, what the hell, when you're doing certain exercises. You know what I'm saying? So when you're doing pistol squats, L-sits, and it's like, what the hell? Where literally it feels like deep down into your bone, your quads are seizing up, cramping, it hurts like crazy. You're like, trying to be cool in front of your gym crush. Yo, you're in the right place. This video is all about helping you fix the quad cramps. This is your girl Maya. This is your quad cramp video. Let's go. Cue that intro. I'm going to show you 4 super easy exercises that you could do with no equipment to strengthen your quad muscles to get you really strong in the compression. So the reason why your quads are cramping when you're doing L-sits, pistol squats, hanging leg raises is because your quads need to actually compress, and that's when it cramps. And the trick is to strengthen those compression muscles. So I want to give a shout out to Ellen. She is my yogi handstand all-star. She told me all about quad compressions. I do these drills all the time. It helps me so much to increase my reps in my pistol squats, increase my reps in my hanging, my L-sits, so I don't go, I still do that, but it helps a lot. Okay guys, so please subscribe, help me build this channel. We are all about spreading fun, high energy, love for fitness and movement and all things health related. Let's go. For the first drill, we're gonna sit upright, zip our rib cage together, like someone's gonna come up and uppercut, hook you in the belly. Sit upright, legs together, and we're just gonna do pulses, single leg at a time, 30 seconds at a time. So I'm gonna have my hands next to me, and I'm just gonna squeeze that kneecap. Just by squeezing that kneecap, you're gonna activate all those quad muscles. And right away, you're gonna be like, oh, what the hell? But that's what we want. We wanna increase those muscles in a controlled and timely fashion, 30 seconds at a time. So then later on, when you go do those other exercises, you're gonna be dialed in, yo. So switch, 30 seconds. This feels good, not bad so far. Now, next one, drill 2, do them both at the same time, okay? Right away, you're gonna be like, whoa, what's up? So point the toes, flex the toes, squeeze the kneecaps, zip, activate, sit upright, and now, oh man, I'm already stressing out. Lift, pulse, pulse. You're gonna feel a burn in your abdominal, lower abdominal muscles, in your hip flexors. This is gonna strengthen your hip flexors so much. So if you have back pain issues, these exercises really help because your hips, your back, and everything in between all work together in one beautiful, cohesive package. So here, I would go 30 seconds here. Get really comfortable with those 2 drills. Crush it, be able to do 30 seconds at a time before you move on to the next 2, which is the straddle. So I'm gonna continue facing this way because this ain't that type of show, you know what I'm saying? But you wanna open your legs wide as you feel comfortable. So right here, boom, hip mobility, yeah. Oh man, I'm cramping. So you wanna open your hips wide, and then we're gonna do same thing. We're gonna go straddle, single leg, pulses now. The trick to doing quad compression work is to do it in all the positions and all the different angles. So see how I started in there? Now I'm starting out here, and I'm gonna go 30 seconds at a time. You're gonna feel your groin. Fellas, groin muscles, do this, you know what I'm saying? Okay, because this ain't that type of show, you know what I'm saying? So 30 seconds, switch sides, take a break. Remember, keep that back as upright as you can. Leaning back will help a lot. And leaning forward jacks up the difficulty by so much. So, I can barely do my compressions when I'm leaning forward. And that just shows me that I'm gonna work on it. No big deal. So, after you're good with the pulses, we're gonna maintain the straddle and we're gonna now do circles. Because remember, different angles, different positions, hit them all. So, put your hands in front of your groin this time and then just draw circles. 15 seconds clockwise. Oh my. seriously, I need to do this way more. And then 15 seconds, the other direction. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Now, the final drill, the last one, is so hard, but we're gonna draw circles at the same time in the straddle position. So, dude, I don't even know if I can do this. Okay, I'm gonna lean back a bit. Yep, I'm doing it. Squeeze your abs, squeeze your hips, draw out, draw in. Okay. Oh my quads, yo. But, such a great exercise. It will strengthen your quad muscles, strengthen the muscles around the knees, which is so important if you have unstable knees, okay? I will make more videos in the future, guys, all about knee stability. That is often overlooked, but how often do you pop in a knee? That ain't no good, right? So we want to prevent that. We want to strengthen the muscles in front, the muscles in the back, the muscles in the side. So please make sure you subscribe, drop me a like, drop a like for Mike, the editor. Pachoo, pachoo. And I'll see you guys back here every Tuesday and every Friday for fun fitness content. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook almost every day, so check me out there too. Until next time, quads, oh my quads, this is my jam. You know what I'm saying?